Grace.
And I'm Lola.
This is Adventures of Gracie. Sorry.
So in our last video, we tried a new recipe for fluffy slime.
And
it was really, really successful. Grace is showing you the little bit she has there. So we're going to try another recipe, but that one made a lot of slime. Like we had to put it in several containers.
Yeah.
So we have that recipe so that we can make a little bit more, a little bit less. We're still going to use the same stuff. So we still have baking soda, shaving cream. This time we are using glitter glue.
If we made more,
contact solution, and water. We're not going to use food coloring because we're using a colored glitter glue. So let's begin. So our first step is
the glue. Right?
Yes, we add a third of a cup of glue. So we have our third cup, measuring cup here.
Isn't that like the entire bottle?
This is going to be half the bottle.
Oh.
When we mix our big batch, it is an entire bottle of glue.
It's hard to squeeze sometimes.
It is hard to squeeze. You want me to squeeze
I got it.
You gotta let some air in it sometimes. Okay, that should be good. That should be good. That should be good. Woo. Okay. Put the lid on that one. So we're gonna put that in here. I'm gonna use our spatula to scrape it off.
Yeah, this is gonna make way less. It's gonna be perfect. Put in our normal containers. Our last one had to sit in 3 containers.
So glue is in.
That's a lot of slime.
And then we add baking soda. So in the large batch, you use half a teaspoon. So in this batch, we're going to use a quarter of a teaspoon. So we have our quarter teaspoon.
That's so small. It's
and
adorable.
We're going to go in here, get a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Mix that in, and then we're going to use 1/8 of a cup of water. So 1/8 of a cup, if you have a measuring cup at home, is just half of a quarter. So here's the quarter mark. So we're just going to use a little tiny bit of it.
Yep.
And actually, I'm going to pour it into the spoon first. I think that should be good.
I'm a little bit crazy, but it's a lot of bit fun. Ooh.
Okay. That's good right there. So if you'll mix that up, Grace.
Yes.
So while she mixes that up, our next ingredient is shaving cream.
Watery.
And again, in the large batch, we use 2/3 of a cup, but in this batch, we're going to use 1/3, so you only need 1 of these. So while she does that, I'm going to fill that up. Mix it up until it's all mixed together, Grace. So remember, shake up your shaving cream.
I hope it doesn't turn white. There we can put all its beauty.
It's a little more, but I didn't fill the bottom of this. Is that mixed thoroughly?
Kind of. I think.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
So.
It's like Mount's shaving cream.
There's the shaving cream.
Mount shaving cream.
Get it all out. Mix that thoroughly.
Got it.
And then after she mixes that thoroughly, like I said, normally you would add food coloring to get whatever desired shade you want. But because we are using glitter glue, it already has some tone to it. If you can see, it's already pink.
Oh, there's a bunch of glitter stuff.
We are just going to let it be that pink. And when she's done mixing that, we will add our last ingredient, which is your contact solution. This is your activator. And I said in our last video, but I'll say it again. Anytime you buy contact solution, we just got like the cheap one from Target, you have to make sure it has boric acid and sodium borate, which this has both of that. So there's this. And in the large batch, you would use 1.5 tablespoons. So in a small batch, you will use 3/4 of a tablespoon. If you don't have a 3/4 tablespoon, just take your regular tablespoon and just fill it 3/4 of the way, or not quite all the way. Have an adult help you with that. Is that mixed up thoroughly?
The glitter didn't show.
I can see it.
Did we add more?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. The glitter didn't show very much, but...
Well, if you want to add more, we can add more.
Yes, please.
Do you have pink glitter somewhere?
Yes, it's right in here.
Okay, well, we're going to add some more pink glitter. Go ahead and add it, Grace.
Because it didn't really show that much when you put it in the bowl.
Here it is there.
I'm just scared I'm going to spill this. Successfully opened. Pour some in there. Just a little teensy bit there.
No, you can pour as much as you want. That's not going to really show.
Okay. It's a lot of glitter now.
This glitter I got at the dollar store, which is really awesome because it doesn't just open up. It has these little holes for it to pour, kind of like a salt shaker,
Yeah.
so that
Or
you don't
pepper
make
shaker.
as big of a
Or
mess with
chili.
it. So here we go. There's some glitter.
The last one we made was blue.
Okay, so now that we're done with that,
That's so pretty.
we add our last ingredient, which is, again, our contact solution. So I'm going to fill this up while Grace keeps stirring. Like I said, you need 3/4, so it's just not quite to the top.
Don't stop me.
Pouring it in. It's just going to mix.
It
And once again,
sticks.
if you ever get to the point where it's not coming away from the bowl enough for you,
It's
or
coming away really good.
it's still too sticky when you take it out of the, like when you try to take it out of the bowl, go ahead and add more contact solution.
It gets really tough to stir at this part, so you might want to have a parent helping you.
Yes, so I'm going to take over for Grace here
Really hard.
because it does get pretty hard to...
Although it is not sticking to the sides as much anymore.
It's not, that's right. Even just this top part that really just got a little bit of contact solution is already pulling away.
Yes, that's perfect. I love slime.
It might be just a teeny bit too sticky.
And in the last video.
So in reality, you may end up using closer to a full tablespoon.
In the last video,
Because
I
in
put
the last one, I think I ended up using closer to 2 tablespoons.
in the last video I put my slime in here, and we're gonna put some of the slime in here this time. It says glitter slime, DIY glitter slime, DIY rainbow glitter slime. Well, it's not really rainbow, but whatever.
That's from a kit that we bought, I think, last year.
It got stuck to my shirt.
So here it is, our fluffy slime. It's not that sticky. It's a fluffy glitter slime, if you can see the glitter in it.
You can watch that video if you want to.
So it's not that fluffy, but it's a smaller batch. So we could have mixed it up in our normal little bowls, but we like this bowl, so.
Yeah, it's really cute. It's a little fox.
I got this at Target.
It's adorable. We go to Target a lot.
We do. Maybe one day we'll film us at Target.
Yeah, maybe.
So there you go. So I used about a tablespoon of contact solution instead of
Yes.
3/4 of a tablespoon.
Slime.
And of course, always clean up afterwards. Your parents help you, an adult helps you. Make sure you help them clean. Right, Grace? Grace and I have a whole storage box full of slime stuff.
Yeah. It's like
And
gigantic.
So we
It's like
always
this
just
big.
put stuff away.
Like
in
this,
it.
you can't really see it, the size.
Look at that glitter.
I'm sorry if our camera is like glitching because it moved for a second like we were frozen.
Maybe Grace just froze. The glitch in the matrix.
Ah!
There it is.
I'm putting some
So
of the
if you
slime
like
in
this video, don't forget to hit the like button.
Mhm.
And if you want to see more videos like this, what should they do, Grace?
I don't know.
They should subscribe. So like and subscribe to our videos. And thank you for watching. This has been...
Wait, Adventures of Grayson. Why can't I say anything?
I'm sorry. This is Grace. And this is Lola. And we're signing off. Bye.